New details. The earthquake that hit parts of Turkey and Syria has now reached a staggering death toll of more than 19,000 people. And those who survived are left cold, hungry, and of course filled with despair in the midst of the destruction. Anger simmering due to the slow delivery and rescue efforts. In the process, it is likely to play a part in the upcoming May election as well. Hundreds of thousands of people are without homes in the middle of winter now, resorting to makeshift shelters in various places like mosques and supermarket car parks, lacking the basic necessities. After the tragic quake in Turkey and Syria, many from the capital district with family ties immediately wanted to help with the relief efforts there. Some help coming from local businesses, and a group of advocates are doing their best to make a big difference now. Ramiz Turan learned about the news, and he found every person he knew there had lost someone. Soon, gathering dozens of people through social media, they did their best to volunteer their time to collect items to help with the relief efforts. Turkish and Syrian restaurants around Albany started to share the news with others, and he was shocked by just how quick the response was.
Morning we wake up, front of the door was full of stuff.
And they also have been receiving calls from across the country from folks who are ready to donate items, saying they will continue collecting for the next 2 weeks and then reassess the need, according to the Turkish consulate. So many people being so generous.